Is there something off with your Grow account? Maybe you suddenly received an OTP on your email or mobile that you didn't initiate. Or maybe you received confirmation of an order you never even placed. Don't worry, here's what you should do to keep your account safe. Step 1. Log out of all devices. Head to the settings menu under privacy and security to see all the devices logged into your account. You can choose to log out of some or all the devices. Step 2. Change your PIN. Your Grow account is protected by two-factor authentication. Out of these, your PIN is one of the factors. You can secure your account by updating your Grow PIN from the settings option under privacy and security. Step 3. Change your password. If you think someone else has your login details, head to settings under privacy and security and change your password. Step 4. Change your email password. You can also update the password for the email linked to your Grow account. If you're still concerned, you can temporarily freeze your account. This will prevent any online activity in your account. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.